In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your own Apple ID. An Apple ID, now referred to as an Apple account, is essential for accessing various Apple services. This includes iCloud, the App Store, iMessage, FaceTime, and Apple Music. You can create your Apple ID for free on your iPhone, iPad, computer, or directly on Apple's website. In this video, I will show you how to create one using the easiest method on the website. First, you need to open a web browser on your computer or any device. You can use popular browsers like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, type in the web address for Apple's account website. That is account.apple.com. This is the official site where you can create your Apple ID. It's important to ensure you are on the correct site to protect your personal information. Now, once you are on the Apple account website, look for the option that says Create Your Apple Account. This button is usually prominently displayed on the page, making it easy for you to find. Clicking this will take you to the next step in the process of setting up your Apple ID. This action is crucial because it begins the journey toward accessing all the Apple services you may want to use. Next, you will be prompted to enter some personal information. This includes your name, email address, birthday, and phone number. Make sure to enter this information accurately. This is essential because it helps Apple verify your identity and keeps your account secure. Remember, you can use an existing email address like Gmail or choose to create a new @iCloud.com email if you prefer. After filling out your personal details, the next step is to create a password. Your password should be strong and unique to ensure the security of your account. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important because a strong password protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you have created your password, take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. Now that you have entered your password, it's time to verify your email address and phone number. Apple will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and look for a message from Apple. Click the link in that email to verify your address. Similarly, you may receive a text message on your phone with a verification code. Enter that code to confirm your phone number. This step is vital as it finalizes your account setup and ensures that you can recover your account if you ever forget your password. Once you have verified both your email and phone number, you are almost done. You will see a confirmation page indicating that your Apple ID has been successfully created. This moment is exciting because it opens the door to all the Apple services you can now access. Remember, you can choose none as your payment method during setup if you do not wish to add a credit or debit card right away. Congratulations, you now have your very own Apple ID. With this account, you can enjoy services like iCloud, the App Store, iMessage, FaceTime, and Apple Music. This small step is a significant milestone in your Apple experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the Apple ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your new Apple ID.